My name is Jeff Cross. I'm the media director with ISSA. We're talking about big, bold moves right now at VEO. We're in Chicago. I'm with Gil. Introduce yourself and tell us what you do.
I'm Guillermo Meneses, and I've had the privilege to do media relations and community outreach for the upcoming VEO conference. And been doing this for about 30 plus days, but it feels like a lifetime, and it really has been an incredible opportunity to get to meet one of the most energetic, powerful group of people and a wonderful community, which is, of course, the commercial cleaning and facilities community. I'm just impressed by all this amazing effort and, of course, what will be an amazing VEO conference.
So by the time you watch this event will be over, most likely, unless I'm really quick getting this out there.
True.
Probably not going to happen,
yeah,
but
it works.
But what you see behind us, people are coming in. This is the first VEO conference. It's got to be exciting for you. Quickly, this came about quickly. Talk about that. How did that happen?
Well, I know this came about an idea between Karina Garcia and Rosie and the team at VEO. And really the goal was, how do we nurture and recognize and honor the incredible contributions that Latinos have been making to the commercial cleaning industry for decades? Again, 70% of the 3 million plus commercial cleaning workers in America. You know, there has to be a mechanism, right, in a way by which we recognize, we nurture, and we elevate Latinos, right? 70% of anything is a lot, which means that we are the fuel, we are the energy that drives the commercial cleaning industry. And I always sort of tell people, you know, when you shut your lights in your office at 6 o'clock, we are the invisible workers and the silent workforce, as I call them, the invisible gloves that come in and make sure that your buildings and your government facilities and your schools and your hospitals are clean, are sanitized, and they can run effectively so you can have a good quality of life while doing your work every day.
So that's been happening for many years.
Yeah.
This event, in a sentence, what is it going to do?
It's going to unify, and it's going to identify and harness Latino power within the commercial cleaning industry.
Okay. Why has it taken so long? We're in 2025, Gil. What's the deal? Be honest.
Well, I don't know. I just think that this is, I think that this is, we're realigning and I think changing the way in which we look at the workforce. Because don't forget, ISSA obviously represents the facilities managers and the building owners that are sort of the leadership, if you will.
So you've seen this coming.
Oh yeah, this is something
now
coming.
It's here. Okay.
Now it's here. It's a reality, and it's something that we can honestly say it's a first of its kind, and we will take the command and the leading role in driving this forward. So every year we can report on the incredible progress that Latinos are making within the industry.
So as we leave this conference, VEO is not just about a conference. What's it going to be?
As Karina Garcia has said so eloquently, and Rosie, it's a movement. It's a movement. It's a living, breathing a mechanism by which any idea, since we're starting from fresh, if you will, since this has never been done before, any idea is a great idea, and we're going to sort of try out different ways. And what we're also looking for is input from our members. Mm-hmm. And what we're seeing here is the energy of what ISSA is all about. And every minute that you and I walk around the hallways, people are, oh my God, I have this great story to tell you, or I have this great profile, or wouldn't it be great if? And what we want to do is we want that energy and those ideas to continue to flow.
So in this hotel, there are workers in our industry. They're cleaning rooms, they're prepping rooms, they're doing their facility maintenance work. Let's say there's someone here and they ask you, what's in this for me? What's it going to do to change my life? What would you tell them?
It's really about representing and making sure that people and the community and the larger business community knows that you have a voice and knows that you play an essential role in the everyday lives of all the people that you serve. And I think you also contributing greatly to the economic workforce, and you're also contributing to the continued growth of Latinos within the marketplace.
So if you were to say there's one thing you should do in the industry, if you're in the industry as a Latino worker, to be part of this, what should they do?
Well, they should obviously
be here.
They should be here, and they should talk obviously through their managers and through their representatives. And they should say, hey, there's a VEO conference. I heard there's a VEO conference here. So how do I become involved, and how do I grow and develop and nurture my skills so I can become a contributor and be part of VEO one day? And what I hear from companies is, where have you been all my life? It's like, this is incredible. This should have been done a long time ago, but now that we're here, we need to catch up. So that's why there's so much energy, and we have been able to do so much within such a short period of time. But I think right now the focus is making sure that Chicago is the best launching and founding conference, and that obviously I think the sky's the limit, and we may be coming to a city near you.